Hey guys, we're here at our open house venue at Lilly. We're just gonna do a walkthrough really quick. Already have lots of couples here. The pretty s'mores bar. Let's jump in. Our champagne wall. We've got spa solder over here. Come around. Beautiful design. The Thistle and Vine. Here she is. Thistle and Vine in the house. Here are some samples of our beautiful 10, 20, 10, 15, and $20,000 packages that we are talking about today. Examples of what you could expect on your tables. Got the light show going on. Mike is here, our very own in-house DJ. Mike, say hi! Woo! On in here to the gallery. There's Rhonda. We've got Sheena over here with Sheena Sweet Treats. Hey guys! Got Double Portion. Has a taco bar. Y'all want to say hi? We're live. Over here. Hey guys, how are y'all? Want to say hi? Honeybee Charcuterie. Y'all want to say hi? We're live.
And Melissa organized all of the arrangements of the fruits, and
we have a beautiful harvest out here. Sounds amazing. Everyone milling around, enjoying the food. And we have the main pour out here, a mobile bar. So cute. Got the lights going. Our enchanted garden is set up how we would usually have a... Check out that beautiful arbor by Thistle and Vine. So, everyone come out and enjoy the day with us. I'm going to get back inside because we have a lot of people here. But anyways, y'all, we just wanted to jump in and say hi. Y'all come join us. Oh, also, we are going to have giveaways. We're going to draw at 6:30 for giveaways. We have almost every vendor here has amazing giveaways. So you don't want to be, you don't want to miss that. And don't be late. Come early and get your name in the pot.